Good morning everyone. Day 2 of my little snowy Austrian adventure. If you haven't seen day 1, the link will be in the description, but today the weather is not very inspiring, so I think I'm going to try and check out a series of different waterfalls. So I've got this scene framed up. I think it's quite nice. It might be man-made waterfalls, but I think they're quite pretty. I'll show you the image now. Hopefully it came out okay. Fairly sure I shouldn't be here, but oh well, fingers crossed. Okay, made it. That is an impressive waterfall. For the rest of day 2, it rained, and I really wasn't feeling it. So let's fast forward to day 3. Good morning everyone, day 3 from Austria, and it's a cold one. About -6, -7 at the minute, but it's sunny. Today I'm at the head of the valley. I'm up near Krimml, which is a very large waterfall, which you might be able to make out behind me somewhere in this region. So I'm just walking down to the falls. As I said earlier, I don't really know what to expect today. I'm not sure what I'll be able to see, what I'll be able to access. A lot of it will be closed, for good reason. There's a lot of ice around. Even where I am now, it's quite icy. Fortunately, I've got my micro spikes, my shoes, and I've got my trusty hiking poles. But yeah, I do like to come to these places when there's not so many people around, and I think I've definitely managed that today. I've not seen a single other person yet. I'm sure I'll see one or two. Here's a little comparison to the same shot taken twice. The first one has 1/6 of a second shutter speed, and the second one has 0.6 of a second shutter speed, just to show you the difference the shutter speed can make for waterfalls. I definitely prefer the second one this time, although actually I think something in the middle would have been the best option. Next time. Oh, now that's cool. Hopefully got some nice shots. I'd love to get a bit lower down the rocks and a bit more up close and personal, but it's just a bit too dangerous in the current conditions. Oh no, I guess it's closed. Oh no, walking is permitted at your own risk. It's fine with me. This is fantastic fun. Pretty much got the whole place myself. I have seen 2 other people. I hope you're enjoying today's little adventure. If you are, I'd be really grateful for a like. It really does help. But I'm going to keep going. Got the place to myself. The weather's lovely, and whilst the grip and the path is good, I'm going to keep going. Oh, that's quite nice. Oh, hang on. This might be the best bit so far. There's definitely photographic potential here, that's for sure. I could be here for a while. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm loving the S-bend through the middle. Right. I've got to get something good here. No pressure. A little bit more scouting on Krimml, and it shows that if I carry on probably another 15-20 minutes, that there's another big set of falls, and I think I can just see it through the trees. Yeah, let's carry on. How often do you get a place like this to yourself? This is epic. I overuse that word, but this is epic.
Yes, there's more. Look at that. Should we pretend we didn't see this? Yeah.
Okay, it's about 2:30, 2:45, so I'm going to say this is the furthest I'm going to go today. I've got further than I thought I was going to today. I got to 1,330 metres. I'll have to check what I started at, but it's been an absolutely fabulous walk. What a place, what a day, and hopefully some fantastic photos. I think there's still 2 or 3 more to be had on the way down. There's still a couple of places that I thought I'll stop on the way back if there's enough light, but let's get headed back.
Don't use a tripod.
One less sunset hope. I'm actually at the same place I was on night 1. It's on the way home, so it's quite handy for tonight. As you can see, the sun's actually gone behind the mountains already. There's a little bit of cloud down there, so there's hope for it to light up after sunset. We've got probably about 20 minutes, so let's see. Fingers crossed.
I hope you enjoyed the little adventure into Austria. It was fantastic. I love playing in the snow, but again, I forgot to film the ending, so here we are. Apologies for the ever-changing white balance in day 3. I'm not sure if I'd find it more difficult for me or the GoPro, but we will definitely get there and very soon. So if you liked it, then please like and subscribe, but otherwise, see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.